Look at her. So we need to stake this. This is a Coco Coir pole, guys. She's now already on a stake.
Welcome to Life with a GeeFam.
Hello G friends, hello everyone. It's Mommy Ryan here. Welcome. Today I'm going to be repotting this Philodendron Burle Marx. So I got this beauty 2 years ago, and this was kind of a sad plant because after a few weeks of repotting it from a 3-inch pot to this pot, it shed off its leaves. All the leaves are gone, and the only thing that's left was this part and this part. No, these are actually new growth, new ones. These are new ones here. So can you imagine? But I did not lose hope. I did not throw it away. I just kept on watering it and put it in a medium light situation, and look at her now. Look at her. Look at her. So we need to stake this. We need to repot and stake this on a pole. Now this is a Coco Coir pole, guys. I made this pole. Daddy bought this wood from Lowe's, and I bought these Coco Coir from Lowe's also. Then I used this is a jute rope. I bought this from Dollar Tree. I used the jute rope to secure the Coco Coir on the wood. I'm gonna show you how, maybe on the next video, I'm gonna show you how I made this Coco Coir pole, guys, because I researched it on the internet, and I found out that the Coco Coir pole is better than the sphagnum moss or the peat moss pole. So we're gonna be talking about that on the next video. So for now, we are going to repot this to a bigger pot and a heavier pot to support the stake so it won't trip over. And this is not sponsored, guys. We are going to be using the Miracle Grow Moisture Control Potting Mix. So I got that one from Walmart. So if you're new to this channel, please give us a like, and do not forget to subscribe and turn on the bell for notifications. So let's get started. So for now, we are going to be using this jute rope to secure the plant on the pole. So this is just temporary, guys, because later on, I'm sure the plant is gonna have roots that would grow on this pole, and that roots or those roots will be the one to secure the plant itself. And here she is. Look at her. She's now already on a stake. Later on, we're gonna have to water this. So every time you repot, you have to water. There, my Philodendron Burle Marx on a Coco Coir pole. There. She's so lovely, guys. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy and like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you would love to stick around so that you would know more about me, my family, and my plants, please do subscribe and do not forget to turn on the bell for notifications. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next one. So stay safe and make good choices. Bye, guys.